like to do about it? Baby, can you please stop crying? Come on.
Whoa! Look at it! Look at it!
They're eating the snake.
Hot wheels.
Hatchimals, Glittering Garden. So what did you buy today? You bought this? We're gonna go home and open this. This is what we got today. Mutant Machines, Hot Wheels.
You didn't get the red one or the green one?
Yeah, we would have got the green one, but baby liked the red one, right?
Yeah. Oh, what that?
Oh, I already cut this part, right? Hey baby, look what we got. Let's see if he gets scared or no. He likes it.
Honey, what's under your bed?
Hey, he's gonna eat up the dinosaur. No, he's gonna eat up the baby's dinosaur. Hey, baby's getting mad. Whoa! What would you like to do about it? Hey, this dinosaur's gonna eat up that dinosaur now. Save it. Hey, where is this dog coming in from? Oh, I like this dinosaur. He can walk. Whoa, he is coming to save the baby dinosaur from the snail. Hey, we saved the day. Hey, dog, where are you running away? Oh, they're eating the snake. No, you can't eat that snake. Yeah. Let's call the police and police will save them. 911. Call the police. Hello, police. Can you please come and save us all? There we have the police coming in. Oh, the Spider-Man actually. Spider-Man is gonna save and the police is gonna save everyone here. Hey, police is arresting them.
Bye.
If you like our channel, please subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.